This is Rich Packing's NJP-400C capsule filling machine, also called automatic capsule filler. Can fill powder, granule, and pellet into an empty capsule of 0.005. The max output is 24,000 capsules per hour, and it fully meets CE, ISO, CGMP, USA, and European standards. Modular structure equipped with joint operation, convenient maintenance and cleaning. Replacement of mold in only 15 minutes. The pneumatic filling model and method easily solve the filling problem of vicious material. Transfer by axle the PTS